Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make 3-color piping with cord. You can attach this piping on any type of neckline. So let's start today's video. For making this piping I have taken 3 colors of square fabric of length and width 11 inch. Now I'll place a scale on this fabric and draw a straight line like this. Its width is 1.5 inch. You can take 2 or 2.5 inch as your choice. Now I will cut it along these lines. Now I will join these strips one by one like this. Now let's start the stitching. Firstly, I will take one piece of orange and green strips together and make a stitch along the edges. Now it will look like this. Now take a yellow strip and place it on the green strip and make a stitch along the edges. Now it will look like this, and do the same process for all the strips. You can change the color combination as your choice. So I made the stitch. This is how it looks. Now I will cut by a strip from this. For that, draw a diagonal line like this and cut it out. Now mark 1.5 inch here for the width of the bias strip and cut it out. Now cut another strip of same width. Here I need 2 strips for the neckline. Now I will join it by placing right side together like this. Make a stitch here. So I made the stitch. Now it will look like this. This is the cord I am using here for the piping. So let's start the stitching. To make a cord piping, you need to use the zipper foot. This is also called a single foot. So here I will change the presser foot. Yeah, I have changed the presser foot. Now I will start the stitching. Now place the cord on the middle of the strip and just fold the fabric like this and make a stitch as close as you can to the cord like this. Do the same for the entire length of the strip. So the piping is ready. Now I will attach it to the neckline. Here I have already done a boat neckline. It's a simple neckline. So I will attach this piping to this neckline to give an elegant look. Now place the piping on the back side of the neckline like this and make a stitch all around. Now place the piping on the back side of the neckline and again make a stitch close to the cord like this. So I have attached the piping on the neckline. So The neckline is ready now. It's very simple and easy to make. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.